This lesson is on solving systems of equations using substitution. When we're solving a system of equations, we have two or more equations, and we're looking for the ordered pair that works for both equations. Substitution is a good method when one of the variables is already solved for in one of the equations. We see in our first equation here that y is already alone. Y is equal to 2x. So substitution means we're going to substitute 2x in for y in our second equation. We know that y is equal to 2x. So in place of y in the second equation, we're going to put a 2x. So we have 3x plus 2x equals 10. Now we can simplify. We combine like terms. 5x equals 10. Divide by 5. And x equals 2. Now remember I said we're looking for the ordered pair that works for this equation. So we now know that x is 2, but we need to know what y is. We can substitute 2 in for x either in the second equation or the first equation. It looks to me like it'll be easier if we plug it into the first equation, y equals 2x. So we're going to say y is equal to 2 times 2. So y is 4. So 2, 4 is the ordered pair that works for both of these equations. Here's another example. Y is already solved for. We know y is equal to 2x plus 7, so we're going to put that in place of y here. This one involves a little bit more because it's 3 times y. So we're going to say 3 times 2x plus 7. Be sure you remember to put that in parentheses so that you can distribute as you solve. Equals, and we're using this top equation, equals 31. So now we distribute 4x plus 3 times 2x is 6x, plus 3 times 7 is 21, equals 31. Combine like terms, 4x plus 6x is 10x, plus 21 equals 31. Subtract 21 from both sides, and 10x equals 10, so x must be 1. So now we know x is 1, and we need to know what y is. Again, we're going to plug it in. It looks like the second equation will be easier this time. Y equals 2x plus 7. So y equals 2 times 1 plus 7, or y equals 9. So 1, 9 is the ordered pair that works for both of these equations. This method can also be used. Let me write up another example here. 5x plus 7y equals 12. This is also a good example if one of them isn't necessarily solved for, but it has a coefficient of 1. You'll notice the y in this example has a coefficient of 1, so it would be easy to get y by itself by just subtracting 2x from both sides. So y would equal 4 minus 2y, or 2x. Sorry, those should have both been x's. And then we can take that piece and plug it in for y in the other equation.